After being an entrepreneur for 4 years, this is the first time I have come across a group of people who are collaborative and want to work as a community. It's not just a space where you come and sit and do your own thing. You get to learn a lot every day, and this is by no means an exaggeration, this is true.
The basic facilities that a startup needs like internet, cafeteria, meeting room, all are provided at very reasonable cost here.
When I joined in, I saw really creative people around. So that's the reason that I thought I'll continue further with this.
I wanted to have a community where I can, throw ideas, have some like-minded people, and I think that Water Workspace is the best place in Chandigarh at least to do that.
Primarily, I was looking for an office space that was inexpensive, had an infrastructure for internet needs, and without covering the overhead of establishing a new office with all of the renovations needed. And as a startup, that meets a big need.
It's a place not only where we can proliferate ideas, grow ideas, but we also form very strong intercommunal relationships.
The kind of ambience out here, it's not more of a renting space, it's a community in itself where you can do what you want to do and be in a similar environment.
I get to sit with people who can teach me stuff. That's the main reason why I sit here. It's one thing to think about having, this romantic idea of a startup. But when you see other people, when you see their struggles, when you see how they get out of it, I think it's a great learning experience, and that's why Water Workspace.
What I need is people who are like-minded, whom I can talk to, whom I can make friends with, whom I can share my problems with, my burdens with. Right? That's essentially what I look for in the co-working space. That are they having the right quality of people? Are they having the right kind of people who share the kind of mentality that I share for being in the startup?
Being a girl, I feel very secure here. I don't have any issues with the timings and all.
We are heading into a shared economy kind of stuff. So if we have shared taxis, shared accommodations, then why not shared office space in that case?
Our basic concept was it should not be a workspace with just a physical aspect. It should be having some soul. And that soul is the community which we have tried to build so far. And we must say that we are proud of the community which we have been successful in building up.
Freelancers, developers, designers, and anyone who is creative, who can think beyond the lines, can come to Water Workspace and join hands with us. My own journey is pretty rough, but the journey out here in Water Workspace very enlightening. When you see people in the same boat as you are, you suddenly stop feeling bad about your own self, sorry about your own self. So it's been great so far.
Fantastic. It's not been a very long journey, but till now it's been fantastic. I did not expect a co-working space to be so collaborative in India and actually in this part of the country, I'd say. Because I'd read a lot about co-working space, and there were a couple in New York which were my favorite, and this is probably at par with that because of the way things are presented here.
I would say it has been a great journey till now, and I hope to see in the future also.
It's been pleasant. It's been a pleasant experience.
My journey so far has been spectacular, and in about last 6 months, from alone I've been now we are 8 in number, and it has been very good so far. Lot of learning, lot of ups and downs as well. But yes, I think it has been very good so far.
My journey, it's been about a year here, and I'm very happy to say that my own company, Instant Bollywood, has experienced so much growth. At the same time, I've seen Water Workspace grow into a community of 100 plus members, and I think I speak for everyone when I say that it's just such a pleasure to come here every day and see everybody entrenched in their work, and so many young people as well from different backgrounds. It's just been a total pleasure.
Journey's been great. I started in December. A friend of mine referred me here, and since then I've loved working here. I've met a lot of good people. That has been the best part.
Stay with us, keep growing, we will help you, and we just want to see it grow, nothing else.
We have like-minded people, we have our friends, we are now one family.
Fantabulous.
Wonderful. Fantastic.
Community.
Startup Chandigarh.
Community.
Exciting.
Fun.
Spectacular.
Creative community.
What a family.
Brilliant. Kindness.
It is what a workspace, isn't it?